Okay, let's try something different.
Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today I will be showing you a payment proof video for Usertesting.com. So I had posted a question on my user testing video saying, would you like to see payment proof? Someone said yes, and also someone said you can't make a lot of money on here, and I said that I had made, I forget how much it was, $100 and something within a week, and so people wanted to see that. So that was around, I made the video in November, so that was around December when I said that, but still I make a good amount of money within a week's time, not even spending a lot of time. I may get on there after I get off of work in the morning for a little bit before I go to sleep, or I may get on there and just have it on while I'm off on my off days, and if it dings I may look, I may not. I mean, I do it very leisurely, and I still make a good amount of money within a week's time. So I just wanted to show this. Now, we're looking at my PayPal account on December 21st. That is a Thursday. So let's see, in a week's time from December 21st, the next week would be December 28th, the next Thursday. So let's see, December 21st, $10, $10. 22nd, another $10. So we're up to 30. Skip that. That's rev.com. I have a video on that as well if you'd like to see that. December 26th, we have another $10, $15 on the 26th as well. That's using their webcam to do a test. The 27th, another $10, another one, another $15, $10, $10, $10, $15. So I was really on it this the 27th, $10, $10. So let's just start calculating this up. So the 21st, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and 10. Did I have another 15? 20. Then those two, 30. And then there's 15 down here. So 135 so far. And I think I said I made 145 probably. That was a full week. So it is possible to make a good amount of money by just being on here leisurely. So that is my payment proof video for that. And I have other payments, of course. I mean, we can look in the past 30 days. Usertesting.com, all the way down. You can see it. And right now, even right now on here, I have $65 pending. So it is possible to make some money on here. For people who think you can, you get $15 for a test that you use with a webcam, $10 on every other test. If you use your cell phone to take a test, if you use your computer to take a test, you get paid $10. You get 15 if you use their webcam, because you have to plug it up and all of that. But a good way to make money, you get $10 for 10-15 minutes of your time. $15 for 10 to 15 minutes of your time. I mean, you can't beat that. So definitely check out usertesting.com. Check out the video that I did on it previously so you can see what it's all about and how to make this $10 to $15 for 10 to 15 minutes of your time. So once again, this is Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and I'll see you in the next video.
Okay, let's try something different.